Hi, this is the Google extension project called TabGist. So how it works is we have the server in Python. Currently, the server FastAPI server is running in localhost, and it has the features called it can summary, make make notes of the YouTube videos or any website open into the Chrome tab, and we can click on the extension and it will generate the summary, or we can translate to the different language also. So this is the code for that, and we have the extension code here, uh, and if we go here in the extension, it's already loaded. Let's refresh it. So let's try to summarize the YouTube video first here. Let's go to this.
If you don't have a technical background,
YouTube video, let's try to summarize this. And if we click here, it looks like this. This is the server endpoint currently running on localhost port 8080, and we can do different things here. We can choose the language which one we want, like English, German, Spanish, and so on. We can do summarize, we can do translate from one language to another's, and we can generate the notes in bullets, or the description, or notes and brief summary. Let's try to summarize. If we click the summarize, it will try to contact the server, which is the localhost FastAPI, and boom, we get the summary. And now this summary is not human readable as much. So what we do is we can click on open in new tab, and it will open new tab, and we can see like summary of what explained into that video. And we can also see chapters. If the video has the chapter provided, we can also see the chapters, what chapters we have in that video, and so on, and the brief summary at last. And another cool thing is, if we go, we can directly generate that bullet point into the language, let's say Spanish, even though it has the translate on English subtitles. We can generate into the Spanish. Let's click the summarize, or maybe the notes or bullet. Let's click the summarize here. Now we got the Spanish, and we can again click on open a new tab. Now this is the Spanish summary of that YouTube video, and this is the English. So we can directly choose the language to generate which one we want. And another cool features this extension can do is not only YouTube video, it can summarize any website. Like we can search, for example, today news. Yeah, let's try to summarize this news, what happened here. Boom, we got the summary, and we can again open a new tab, suspect identified, and so on, right? We got the summary. And another cool thing is we can try the different things, bullet notes. It looks similar but a little bit different, like I can show you right now. Okay, the summary, it's a notes kind of summary, like, and this is a bullet kind, and this is the note kind, like the same summary, but the presentations from the large language models is different.